Hello everybody, this is Lee Phillips. It is Friday, March the 14th, and it is about 73 degrees at 3:45 in the afternoon. We are here at the corner of Bobby Boss and Highway 78. We're going to walk down through here in just a second and take a look at the retention pond. We got cars kind of clustered up right here for some reason. One person wanting to turn on to Bobby Boss and the other person turning off of Bobby Boss on the other side this way. We got quite a bit of traffic, but that's all right. That's for a traffic video. Right now, we're gonna come down here and we're gonna take a look at the project at the retention pond and see how everything's going on this beautiful sunny Friday afternoon. It is so beautiful out here. So I drove by earlier and saw that they had a substantial amount of work done on digging out the bed of the pond. So we're going to take a look and see exactly how it looks. It looks like they might be getting everything, trying to get it cleaned up and straightened out for the weekend. Have everything presentable. And to have it functioning, I guess, for the excessive rain that we're supposed to get. They're saying we're gonna get a whole bunch, but I don't know. Now, this thing was bone dry after the rain, the day after the rain the other day. And there is clear, clean water down in the bottom. That is not muddy water runoff from the rains that we had. That is what some folks would call creek water, spring water, fresh spring water. I believe there's a spring down there that they uncovered putting in, digging out for the footing. And they got the pump shut off right now, and that's why it's filling up with the clear water. That pump was running to pump out the water from the spring head. So they got that bank tapered off and sloped off over there. They got that one over there somewhat working on it. They're working this one right here, working this area where this culvert comes out from under the road on this side. I guess they want to make sure that that don't wash out. But yeah, that's a pretty good spring head to fill that up with that much water. Well, them folks have got even a bigger pile of mess out there now. take a look from this side. That way you can see that spring water a little bit better. They filled in some dirt where it settled around that drain right there. And you get settling a lot of times when you dig stuff up and it rains, it's gonna settle the ground back down. Now where the dump trucks have been going in and out, that drain is totally stopped up right there. They've caved it in, driving the trucks back and forth out of there. Now that's a weird shaped culvert pipe. That one has a flat bottom in it, rounded on the top with the flat bottom. That's the first time I've seen one of those. I've been in construction all my life and I've not actually seen one like that. Y'all see me stopping time to time. That's so I can step off the road to let vehicles go by, because I don't want to get run over. They got all this looking good. Ready for the weekend, getting it ready for the rain. So folks, I'm gonna go on to doing a different video. See if I can't do a traffic video today. I hadn't done any traffic in a while. Who knows? There might be an accident happen out there at 78 and Main Street. But we're gonna go see. So y'all remember, be safe out there, be good to one another, do something kind for someone, and y'all have a blessed day.